Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel this week. A little bit late. Today we're on with the shave test of number 6 out of the 8-day set. I should have done this at the weekend, but my little chemo friends decided to reappear and unfortunately put me in bed Friday, most of Friday, all of Saturday and most of Sunday. You look and feel like you don't look too good anyway, let's put it that way. So, today we're on with Pro Raso White. I like to use it. This is similar to Mitchell's wool fat. It's very rich in the glycerine. And if your skin's a little bit out of condition, what mine is at the moment, it's got quite good properties in there to enrich and make your skin feel better. So just to recap, just step back, this is your 8-day set, all in very nice clean condition. So today we're on with number 6 out of 8. I'll just put this down before I drop it. So here again, nice clean example. They're all pretty much exactly the same. This is the last one of the 6 razors by Thomas Lund, or to be more precise, William Lund, son. So again, you got the number 6 and the initials here. For you guys who've been following this 8-day set, there's 6 blades that are numbered 1 to 6. They're all exactly the same. They all perform the same. They're all balanced exactly the same. And they all weigh the same. I have to say, you get quite attached when you've got a set like this. I could quite get used to having a nice 7-day set, or in this case an 8-day. I think it's a combination of the, you know, you got a nice case, and all the razors are exactly the same, so it's like reliable. And you get an attachment to them. Sometimes I'll, if I want a really close shave, I'll use a hot flannel again and lather up and give it a second pass. But I've not had to do it with this set. Just one pass and you're done. Even a 7-day beard. You know, just take it off. Quite impressive. Let's get a straight line on my tash here. And there we have it. That's it. Quite quick. Always remember to dry your blade. Don't just leave it on the side of the bath or the sink, because these are made from carbon steel, so if you leave any sort of moisture on them, they will rust. Pretty quickly as well. I've had some razors in the past where they've actually been rusting when I'm using them. Unbelievable really. I suppose that just shows poor quality, but this is not the case with these handsome blades. Okay, all being well, I'll be shave testing the last 2 blades at the end of this week. Okay, have a good week. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you Friday, Saturday. All being well. Bye for now.